What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create client note systems with Google Docs. First, start off by creating a new Google document for each client. Then name the document using the client's name. Use headings like contact details, meeting notes, and next steps. Whenever you meet with a client, add notes to this document. Then go to the top right corner and select Share. You can then change the general access from restricted or anyone with the link if needed. Then copy the link. Then go back into GoHighLevel, go to your contacts, then open the client's contact. Then in the right column, scroll down to Notes, add a note, and then you can paste the Google link document inside Notes and then give it a title. Once you have completed that, then just hit save in the bottom right corner. Now your team always has access to the latest client information. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.